Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure conversational skills with Conversation Exchange, complete guide step by step clearly. To enhance your conversational skills, begin by visiting the Conversation Exchange website. Create a free account by filling in your personal details. Once registered, explore the platform's features to understand its offerings. Navigate to the Find Language Partners section to search for users who speak your target language. Use filters to specify language preferences, location, and interests to find suitable partners. Review the profiles of potential conversation partners. Look for users with similar interests to increase the chances of engaging discussions. Once you identify a partner, send a friendly message introducing yourself. Mention your goals for learning and what you hope to gain from the exchange. Plan a convenient time to chat, considering time zone differences. Utilize the platform's chat feature for text-based conversations as a warm-up. After a few text exchanges, suggest a voice or video call for a more immersive experience. Prepare topics in advance to facilitate smooth conversations during your call. During the conversation, don't hesitate to ask open-ended questions. Practice active listening to fully engage with your partner's responses. Take notes on new vocabulary or phrases that emerge during your conversation. After the session, give feedback to your partner about what worked well. Ask for feedback on your speaking skills to identify areas for improvement. Schedule regular sessions to establish a consistent practice routine. Consider expanding your network by connecting with multiple partners. Participate in group conversations for a broader range of speaking scenarios. Use the platform's language exchange features to practice both your target language and your native language. Set specific goals for each conversation session to maximize your learning. Finally, be patient and enjoy the journey of improving your conversational skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.